Hey guys, today we're playing Natural Disaster Survival. This game, as you know, you survival that's disaster. Luke, if that's really your. All right.
Hey, no, it's okay, you're safe, Dude, you're
I'm scared. I'm incredibly scared of Nikolai.
No. Your time has come.
No, please! I'm the American Eagle! No! I so accept my fate.
Wait, hold on, look, you're never meant to survive this round. You're an eagle, so you...
This guy's also, my computer's like getting deep. OBS like deep fried my computer for some reason. Like, say if I were to have like Discord open. I'm still talking. We're gonna teach history. Oh no, I should have. Please, no, guys. What is he doing?
My children.
Nikolai. Spare these younglings. No, spare the Nikolai. Spare these younglings and take me instead. Spare these younglings and take me instead.
Alright,
it'll be tough. This is not about to hit, so I think we're all about to die anyways.
It's okay, you may die.
I might survive this. I'm not surviving this. I'm not surviving. I would say my sacrifice is worth it. I would say my sacrifice was worth it.
My children. Oh my gosh. Clear the path, children. Clear the path.
Clear the path.
I said clear the path. Who do you think you are? You're gone now. Bye-bye.
Yeah, no, she's dead. Ferris wheel. No! The Ferris wheel will be the greatest thing that's ever happened to mankind. And God, what can I get? I don't want to be in here with this guy. That's a good. I don't want to be under this disgusting rat. Get this disgusting creature away from me. Not this guy. These people. I feel Nikolai's presence. I feel Nikolai's presence. This is not good. Why are we walking back and forth so much?
I've been roaming around, looking down at all I see. Faces through the face.
Oh Lord and Savior, it's Nikolai.
Is that a little boo-boo?
Get him! You'd have to use politely to change your avatar.
Stop running.
And they're gone. Yo, I saw the little bodies like ricochet off like 5 people.
Yeah, leave me alone, everyone. You know, I like this guy.
What is this? American flakes? That's pretty tough. Where is the checkout? Check it out.
Shut up.
Nikolai!
I have came. Okay.
Nikolai.
Well,
But what do you predict the disaster? Nikolai. Disaster.
wait,
Oh,
you
no.
know what? You are not getting sent to heaven, okay? Since you have that avatar, you are getting sent somewhere dark and
How did you get
red.
up here?
Why?
Somewhere painful too, okay?
I'll be. Okay.
No.
Sometimes
I
don't like
Mr. Oh no, this is not good. This is not good. No! No! No!
Get on the ark!
Nikolai, fling me
Get
away,
on the
please!
ark!
Fling me away! Thank you! I will survive now. Everybody, this is what true survival of an eagle is supposed to be. Oh no, I'm actually falling now. No! How far did he fling me? Yo, how far am I falling? I see my little avatar freaking out, so that means I'm like, yeah, let's go! That, because you gave me the survival.
Look, I had to tell them to get on Noah's Ark, bro. They didn't get on the Ark, so then they died. They died.
Why are you flickering in and out of existence? Is this my schizophrenia finally catching up with me?
No, that's your schizophrenia. Ew, bro, get out, bro. Who you think you is? Wait a minute.
I predict tornado. I'm predicting right now it's gonna be tornado. I'm gonna stay outside. No, it is not, bro. I knew it. Oh my god. I have the survival instincts of an eagle. American eagle. Oh god. I literally knew it was gonna be a disaster. I'm too pro. Yo, like everyone's dead. If Nikolai flings me, I swear to God. Nikolai, no! Don't leave me here. Oh, they're right there. Bro, I'm too good at this game, bro. Too good. American Eagle is too good at this. Shoot. Oh no.
Alright, look, here's the thing though. Next round, you're never
The
gonna
American
survive.
Eagle
He's
strikes
coming.
again.
I've been roaming around, always looking down at all I see. Painted face.